Welcome back. And in our top business story, the UAE's Ministry of Energy delegation is in Morocco to participate in the 18th meeting of Arab Industrial Development and Mining Organizations Advisory Committee. The conference is focused around the mineral resources sector, which is being held in the Moroccan capital, Rabat. The meeting discussed the implementation of the mining strategy in the Arab countries. This comes in the framework of AIDMO's role in the promotion and coordination of joint Arab action in the manufacturing and mining sector in particular. The committee also discussed proposing the organisation's work programme on the mining sector for the next 2 years. Non-resident Indians living across the UAE and the Gulf states will now have better chances of buying and investing in property back in India. According to company officials, the Indian property sector is on the verge of exciting growth through a surge in urban populations. With an estimated population of 6 million Indians residing across the GCC, the establishment of the India Property Mart at ITC, the India Trade and Exhibition Centre in Sharjah, aims to provide non-resident Indians better access to property developers. They say this will allow them to improve their knowledge of the market's conditions and circumstances. 25 to 30% growth is expected for India's commercial real estate sector, while the residential segment is expected to grow between 30 to 40% over the next decade. In the past, many faced challenges in buying property in India as they only meet developers during exhibitions. Now, property developers will have a permanent showcase for their products, promoting reliability, trust and confidence.
The figures show from TradeEye that 500 million people will be living in the cities by 2030. And that gives a lot of demand. And at the moment, there are 28 million units of housing are required in India at this stage. If we come to the UAE and NRIs, there are 1.7 million Indians living in UAE. And Indians by nature want to at least have one home for their own living. And that is a lot of demand, which if can be met by reliability and trust, there is a lot of potential for the real estate investment from this part of the world into the Indian real estate.
And let's now take a look at the stock indices across the GCC.